In this demo video, we're going to look at how to create new verifiable credentials with customizable schemas using the NB Orbit platform. So within the NB Orbit Enterprise app, a credential issuer within credentials will go and create a new credential, starting with step 1, the schema setup. So they will name the credential, in this case client identity card. They will create a schema version for this specific credential. And they will go and add the attributes that they want this credential to hold. So in this case, attribute 1 is name, the format is text, attribute 2 is client number with a format of number, attribute 3 is company, and attribute 4 is the issuance date with a date format. Now once step 1 is done, step 2 is creating a credential definition. So this is what's going to be written to the root of trust, which in our case is a distributed ledger. The credential issuer could choose to make the credential revocable or not. And once they submit the credential definition, this credential definition is going to be written to the distributed ledger, which allows this credential issuer or anyone operating within this ecosystem to use or leverage this specific credential. So if we go look now within the existing schemas, we could see that the client identity card is actually now available within the network, once again meaning it has been written to the distributed ledger. And if the credential issuer wants to do a verification, for example, and they go within the create a new task, they could see as well that this credential definition that they have just created and published to the network is available for use within a verification context. So we just looked at how to create new verifiable credentials with customizable schemas that then get published to a network, an ecosystem, or your own orbit. Visit northernblock.io to learn more about SSI and NB Orbit, or email us at info@northernblock.io, or call us at 1-855-665-0833 to try out NB Orbit Enterprise.